Hey, beautiful. We've got news for you. We've been busy behind the scenes at Health and Hair and Wellness Hair Loss Center, and we just rolled out new pages and upgrades to make your hair growth journey simpler, faster, and more supportive from day one. Here's what's new and where to find it. Start here at our Shop Health and Hair homepage. Discover our science-backed holistic approach to regrow, restore, and revive your hair. Then browse curated growth products and essentials in one place. Check out the Holistic Hair Restoration Blueprint Program, which is our signature program designed to deliver real results with education, targeted scalp therapy, and a personalized plan that supports longer growth cycles and shorter shedding cycles. Many clients see noticeable changes within the first 3 to 6 months. Get to know our clinical partner in growth power, Nutrafol. We've partnered with Nutrafol, the #1 dermatologist recommended brand for hair growth, and built a hub so you can understand who it's for, the timeliness of seeing results, and how to get started, aiming for visible results in 3 to 6 months. Check out our pro-grade growth system, Perfect Choice Hair ATL, where we show you how this plant-powered system using nanotechnology infused apple stem cells with DHT blockers and shea butter is formulated to stimulate follicles and support thicker, fuller hair. We've added a detailed overview of the page and product listing. Learn more about our non-surgical hair replacement services offering medical wigs, detachable sewn weaves, and other hair extension services. We offer options from cranial medical wigs and cranial prosthesis to the detachable sewn weave and other hair extension services so you can protect your growth while looking your absolute best. We now offer HairB Reconstructive Amino Acid Treatment Services for natural hair. It is possible to have silky, stronger, and smoother natural hair without the formaldehyde. Our new explainer page breaks down how amino acid treatments work, why they're gentler, and the home care system that we recommend to protect your investment. Next, we have the Rain Sanitary Napkins with graphene technology. Whole body wellness matters to the health of your hair. Our Rain page explains absorbency benefits and the potential wellness perks of the graphene strip. Our Rain page explains absorbency benefits and the potential wellness perks of the graphene strip. And we make it easy for you to learn more about it and order it right from the Rain Sanitary Napkins page. Visit our policy and forms page to complete your new client intake form. Read our salon policy and return policy for online and in-person sales, and access any waivers for your services all from one place. While you're there, be sure to sign up for the Loyalty Rewards program because it pays to be a member. On this page, you can learn how it works, how to earn your rewards, and how to redeem them in the salon and with your online purchases. You'll also learn how to earn additional reward points through referrals and how to double your rewards points with your loyalty. Last but not least, enjoy faster scheduling using our online booking system at shophealthandhair.com, where you can learn about our hours, location, and full contact information. You can even leave us a message right there on the page. Tap the link in the bio and visit shophealthandhair.com to learn more about your Health and Hair and Wellness Hair Loss Center professionals and services.